What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We got a little one right here, the little Mumshin, and my wife is actually out to help today. We're going to move the NASCAR out. We are going to be working on it today, but I did pick up a impact wrench, so I'm going to attempt to try to get the clutch out of the Warrior before we work on the NASCAR today. It's a little early in the year, but the grass needs mowed. Go ahead. Alrighty, guys, got this for pretty cheap. It was like 40 bucks at Harbor Freight. I had one of these before and then lost it, so we're gonna attempt to do it with a corded impact wrench to try to at least get the basket out on the Warrior. So the basket is now out of the Warrior. Like I said, we've been waiting for this the whole time, and I just kind of procrastinated getting it out. We are going to have to get oil to soak the new, I guess, clutch plates for 24 hours, and then we can attempt to put this back in. I did get a new seal. I would really like to clean all this stuff up, though, where the seal goes around before we put everything back together. I have this stuff laid out here. Pretty sure I have a bag of old Warrior parts someplace, because if you guys remember right, the screws that actually went inside here, 2 of them actually kicked out, so I need to find out what size they need to be to reinstall this. But we do have our new springs, our clutch pack. Are there retainers in there now that I look at it? Maybe they're up front. Here we go. So there's these and our new gasket, which I'm actually going to set in the back for right now until we go and we get our oil so we can soak these suckers overnight. Change of plans. Instead of working on the NASCAR, we're actually going to do our first video on the little mini chopper, I guess. So yeah, we'll have to do the NASCAR in another video, which is completely okay. And we're going to try tearing this sucker apart, maybe getting the motor off of this and moving forward from there, and hopefully getting this thing running within the next couple weeks. I'm going to throw you guys on a time lapse while I try to take this apart. My driveway is looking freaking hilarious right now with the Warrior. Actually, I'm going to go out so I can show you guys the different angle of everything that's out here right now. So we have the NASCAR body, some type of B. Kinsley's little Yamaha 4-wheeler, the Warrior, and the freaking little chopper. My driveway is looking crazy right now, guys. This is where I was saying getting rid of that thing is going to open up so much room for me to like easily, accessibly get these in and out of the garage and be able to work on them inside instead of out here. Did you finish the yard? You finished the yard? No? Okay. I'm one exhaust bolt away from potentially getting this motor out on the little chopper. And honey, what color did you want to do the frame on this? Shh. We're not giving it away?
I don't even know yet. I don't know.
All right, well, we don't know what color we're gonna do everything, but everything ultimately is gonna come apart, and it's just gonna be the frame, and then we're gonna put it back together. So I'm gonna keep working at trying to get the exhaust off of this, because I can't remove the motor with the exhaust on. So she got bored with working on the truck's door and decided to just rip the cart around in the yard. But our motor is disconnected. I did get the exhaust off. I do have to disconnect like the throttle cable and a couple of the lines. She's down there screaming. She's gonna get stuck. But I have to disconnect a couple things and then we can pull our motor completely out. I'm gonna put the bolts, well, the nuts back on the rear wheel so we can at least drive it in through or push it in through. But I wanna get the chain off for right now. So I am gonna actually have to back the wheel off and then put it back on once the chain's off. How'd that work out for you? Yeah. A couple things going on, so we are actually going to wrap up today's video here. I'm happy that we at least got the motor disconnected. It's not completely off of the chopper. I'm actually kind of stoked to get this thing going. Honey, just be careful because the wheels in the back don't have the nuts on them. Even if you just hand tighten them, holy shit. Even if we just hand tighten, here's one of them. If you put that one on, I'll put the other one on, and then we can wheel it back in the garage because you guys are gonna notice in the video, which will be the next day, I'll be wearing the same stuff because we're actually going to pick something up that I think you guys are really going to enjoy. It's not mine, but something you guys are definitely going to enjoy that we have talked about on the channel here before. So if this was your first time watching a video on my channel, I hope you guys give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you guys are excited for this little chopper. She's dropping stuff. This little chopper build as well. Yeah, I took the throttle holder off of that. Jeez, ow, getting stuff thrown at me. We are going to be getting the NASCAR painted here in the next couple days, plus still waiting on those decals that I was talking about. So lots of content this week. I'm pretty sure, if not 6 days, all 7 days this week, there are going to be Snussie Copen videos on the freaking YouTube channel, which I don't think, honey, have we ever done that? Have we ever done 7 videos in a row?
I don't watch your channel.
See, she's just not supportive. Anyway, guys, smash that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Give recommendations for what you guys want to see the chopper because she's up in the air with what she really wants to do. Take care. Have a great night.